things that she has got. Enters Nora.
Hide the first Mr. Carefully, Karen. The children must not find it until this evening.
Is this my biggest lunch to take out there?
Yes, dear, come in here and see what I have bought.
Nora, don't disturb me. Which is the report all of this is? Has my little friendship been investing money again?
Yes, dear. We can go just a little bit this year.
Still, we can't spend money recklessly.
I know, honey, but can we go just a little bit reckless this year? Can't we? After all, you are going to be promoted as a bank manager at the bank, and then we will have lots of money. Oh, how wonderful it is to think of.
Yes, but there's still 4 months for that to happen, Nora.
Oh, we can borrow until then.
You don't understand how things work, Nora. So just listen. No debt, no borrowing in this house. Do you hear me?
As you please, dear.
Come, come. Is my little spoil out of temper? Nora, what do you think I have got here?
Money?
There you are.
Thank you, Towel. This will keep me going for a long time.
You think I don't have any idea about how much money goes into house?
I know that.
Nora. Where I'm not. Is that a theory?
No.
Nora, have you been breaking rules? Eating sweets? Despite me clearly telling you not to.
Forgive me, dear.
You must never do such.
Shall never think of going against your wishes.
Now, how is this joke?
I'm sorry, dear.
You did
Nora has a secret that she's been hiding from her husband. 4 years ago, Mr. Hammer had fallen seriously ill, and there was no money left for his treatment. In that state of desperation, Nora had turned to Mr. Croxton for help. She borrowed some money from him, and with that, she managed to save her husband's life. Since then, Nora has been secretly paying off Croxton by saving money in scraps. Now, as she is in the last bits of her debt, Mr. Croxton appears to have arrived sooner than usual to collect his money. Enters Croxton.
You?
Yes, it's I, Mrs. Helmer.
But it's not the first week of the month yet.
Don't be so alarmed, Mrs. Helmer. I was come here for the money. It's about something else, something far more significant and important.
And what's that?
Your husband and our powers before the bank is in a vulnerable position, Mrs. Helmer.
I don't understand.
Your husband has threatened me. Your husband has threatened to suspend me for my illegal involvement in the gang officials, Mrs. Helmer.
And what am I to do in this matter?
I want you to talk to your husband and convince him to leave this wretched idea of kicking me out.
You must believe me, Mr. Costa. There is nothing in the power to help you at all.
Then you will be no choice, Mrs. Helmer.
What do you mean?
I have written a letter for your husband.
A letter?
Yes, it tells him all about what his sweet little innocent Skylark's been up to without his knowledge.
No, you can't do that.
Oh, I sure can, Mrs. Helmer, and I also know that you have forged your father's signature to borrow money from me.
No,
Do you realize what a serious crime it is, Mrs. Helmer?
no, I hadn't any other choice. My father wasn't that bad, and there was no way I could have asked money from him. My motives were pure. I just wanted to save my husband.
Now, law doesn't care for your motives, Mrs. Helmer.
What? What do I do now? Only Robert has a key. Only he opens it. Laura, what's the matter, child? Jane won't tell me. You have been having a good mother to me since my childhood. If my children doesn't have what I know you could have, promise me, Jeremy. Promise me you will take care of my children. Sure, Laura. Why not?
going.
You shall save me.
You miserable creature.
Let me go. You shall not suffer for my
You
sake.
foolish woman. You will realize what have you done. And to think you are my pride, my joy. You hypocrite. Liar. Now, because of your stupidity, I may be suspected of having been a party of your criminal action. Very likely people will think that it was I who prompted you.
I am going from here now at once.
Are you out of your mind? I won't allow it. I forbid you.
There is no use of forbidding me. I shall no longer listen to you.
What sort of madness is this?
I am finally standing up for myself. I am doing what I should have done years ago. Today I realize you were not the man who I thought you were. I was so certain about the fact that you would have come forward about to just save me. But no, Towel. I was wrong.
Listen, I would gladly walk day and night. But no man would sacrifice his honor for the one who he loves.
That's the thing hundreds of thousands of women have done.
You think you can talk like a headless child?
It has